Today we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu Coin and whether or not it could continue to go higher. Let's get into this video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before I get into this video, I'd like to ask you guys to please comment how many Shiba Inu coins you have, how many you want to have, and then also consider leaving a like and subscribe as it really helps with the growth of the channel. And if you guys are interested in getting some free money, then go ahead and get signed up with Public, the social investing app. They are now allowing you to trade crypto. We actually just bought our first crypto on Public last night. We bought 4 different ones, so if you guys want to see that, go ahead and click the first link in the description and follow us at It's Finance Bro. And also when you deposit $1 on the platform, you're going to get up to $70 worth of free stock. So go ahead and use the first link in the description to do that. And really quickly, this is what you're going to see when you come to Public. Obviously, you're going to be able to see our crypto and our stocks, and then also our long-term holds. And then also you're going to be able to just see why we invested in things. You can see when we sell things, how long we were invested for, how much we made, and all that good stuff. So if any of this sounds good to you, go ahead and follow us on Public at It's Finance Bro. But without any further ado, let's get into our cryptocurrency for today, which is going to be Shiba Inu Coin. So this is actually going to be the second video of the day that I make on Shiba Inu Coin. So we have already gone over the social activity around it, so I'm going to go through this pretty quickly. If you guys are interested in seeing kind of closer breakdown, go ahead and watch the last video that I posted about 2 hours ago. You can just click our channel and click the last video. But anyways, StockTwits and Lunar Crush, which we're about to go over as well, are two different kind of places where you can see how much a stock or cryptocurrency is trending. Whenever cryptocurrency is trending on StockTwits, however, on a weekday, that is really good because normally only stocks trend on weekdays because that's the only time they get to trade. But Shiba Inu Coin is the 5th most active cryptocurrency or stock on StockTwits, and it is also the 5th most added to watch list out of any stock or crypto on StockTwits as well. When we come over here to Lunar Crush, you can see that these social metrics are out of this world. They are all green, which basically means that people are talking about Shib a lot. And then when you take a look at the social volume, people are talking about Shib at an unprecedented volume right now, being mentioned like 8,000 times. For a normal, trending crypto, it's normally around 1,000 to 4,000. So Shib is just getting talked about so much right now. And the price is holding very steady, but we'll go over that more in a bit. Something that I kind of want to bring up is something from Shib Token's actual Twitter. So they are verified, so make sure if you ever get contacted by a Shib Twitter account asking you for anything, make sure that they have a verification badge. But I really like to watch Shib Token on Twitter. So you can see that one piece of news is that CoinFlex just listed Shiba Inu Coin. If you see our last video, also another Indian crypto exchange actually just listed Shiba Inu Coin. They have 4 million customers, but CoinFlex is just another exchange that has listed Shib, and they have also listed Leash and Bone, which is from ShibaSwap, if you guys didn't already know. But what I really want to bring up from this Twitter account is going to be the Now Payments partnership that Shib has. They kind of have more explanation on it. So Now Payments is the leading crypto payment gateway, allowing for crypto payments online through e-commerce stores such as Shopify and WooCommerce. We're actually using WooCommerce right now with our website. We're about to launch a crypto ebook, so if you guys are interested in that, go ahead and subscribe and watch for the videos in the coming days. It'll be announced. But anyways, they have partnerships with Shopify and WooCommerce. In the digital age with borderless transactions, receiving payments in a secure and instant manner is important to businesses and the consumers alike. This Shiba Inu ecosystem recently partnered with Now Payments and its native token Shib as its currency for the Now Payments platform. What's more, it was recently announced that Now Payments will also onboard Leash and Bone. Super good. Burning a percentage of each transaction in the trifecta. This includes all services as well as Pay and Shib payroll. Additionally, Now Payments will now focus on the Internet of Things but brick and mortar stores, offering points of sale solutions too. Their website offers user-friendly step-by-step guides on how to integrate these kinds of services. So they want to basically have Shib be able to pay in brick and mortar stores, which is super cool. A brief discovery about e-commerce and Shiba Inu's crypto payments integration with Now Payments will now demonstrate how monumental this will be for the ecosystem. Shopify processed $5.1 billion in US sales in 2020. That's not even 2021. $5.1 billion. That's a 76% growth of sales. Shopify's total revenue in the first quarter of 2021 was almost $1 billion. And then also Shopify's e-commerce platform has a 20% market share of all online retail. So Now Payments is partnered with Shopify and WooCommerce, which have a 20% market share of all online retail. This is absolutely amazing, and you will be able to use Shib on these platforms. Okay, and now after that exciting news, let's go over whether or not Shib will be able to reach 50 cents. So this is a pretty interesting article, and I went over it, and 50 cents is obviously something that is probably not possible without a massive burn. You know, we could just have a huge burn, but then, you know, it would kind of, I just don't know if it could happen. But let's go over their prediction on moneymorning.com. While Shib has great momentum at the moment, the crypto does have its limitations. He says until they see real-world applications and is more widely accepted as payment, he doesn't see the crypto surging much higher. The reason that I bring this up is because we just saw a real-world application with Shopify and WooCommerce, and with their partnership with Now Payments, even getting into brick-and-mortar stores as well. So I kind of just wanted to bring this up just because I wanted to basically show you guys there are real world applications, and even when people say that, hey, it can't get to 50 cents, we're not even trying to get to 50 cents. We're trying to get to a cent. We're trying to get to 10 cents. 50 cents is a bit outlandish, but there are real world applications. Now, this is another website that we're going to look at very briefly, but it's basically Shiba Inu could rally 70% following this consolidation period. And let's just go over the key takeaways. Basically, Shiba Inu Coin is currently consolidating in a very tight range, and seemingly edging closer to a breakout. A spike in buying pressure could push Shib into a 77% bull run, according to these guys. Still, the 28 support level, which we actually just talked about in our last video, must hold to avoid a potential spike in profit taking. So yeah, this is something that I wanted to bring up as well. Obviously, really quickly, crypto is doing extremely well today. I'd just like to say that real quick. But when we take a look at Shiba Inu Coin, you can see that they do have a bit of a support here at the 28 level. We are staying above it right now, and there's overall just buying pressure in the crypto market right now, so we should be okay. But if we did break through this 28 level, we could see some triggers in selling from people who are trying to take profits. But if we stay above this $28 level, then we can possibly see a run close to 77%, like they say in that article. But yeah, that is pretty much going to be it for today on Shiba Inu Coin. What do you guys think about this video? If it brought you any value or entertainment, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe, and also comment how many Shiba Inu coins you have for the algorithm, and just to see how strong the Shiba Inu coin community or army is. Thank you guys so much for watching. That is going to be it for today. Make sure you guys get your public stock in the first link in the description. And that's going to be it. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.